Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 10. So we will install the Community Edition, which is free. Let us begin. At first we will download. Go to the browser. On Google type Microsoft Visual Studio and press enter. On pressing enter you can see the official website is visible. Herein you can see visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click on it. Here it is. After clicking, just go to downloads. After reaching download, you can see for Visual Studio 2022 we have Community, Professional and Enterprise version. The first one is open source, that is free. If you want to see the comparison of all three, you can click here, but we want the free one, open source, so I'll directly click on free download to download the Community free version. So now you can see the download has started. The download started and it has been completed. This is an installer, Visual Studio Setup Installer.exe file. Now after downloading, double click on it. Minimize this. We have minimized. Here and the installer started. Click on continue. Now it will download and install. Let's wait. So the setup started. Herein you can see the workloads are visible. Since for a sample example I'll be showing the console application, so I'll directly click here. .NET Desktop Development, which is what I want. On clicking you can see it will provide the .NET framework, the blend, entity framework, profiling tools, IntelliCode and the debugger also, which is JIT, that is just-in-time debugger. Rest everything looks fine. It will take 6.63 GB, remember, and the path here is the following. Our Visual Studio will get installed here. If you want to change the location, click here, but I think the default is fine. It will also install while downloading, as you can see here. You should have a good internet connection to download this. I'll click on install. After clicking install, the installation will begin. It will first download, then it will install it. It will take ample amount of time, and after the installation is complete, it will start the Visual Studio ID. So let's wait. So guys, the download completed. Now the packages are installing. Let's wait. So guys, you can see we have successfully installed Visual Studio Community 2022. So just click on launch here. Now you can see it is asking you to sign in, but you can avoid this by clicking not now, maybe later. Guys, we need to select the development settings. I'll keep the journal. If you want a specific one, let's say only for C# or C++, you can select them and move forward, but journal is good for me, and herein I'll select the theme. Dark is fine. If you want to change, you can change from here. Click on start Visual Studio. Now the Visual Studio will start for the first time. So guys, herein you can see Visual Studio 2022 started. Herein directly we can click on continue without code. So guys, now we will create a console application, C# console application. For that, let us go to file, click on new, herein click on project. Now guys, under project template, search for console app.NET framework. Here it is guys, console app.NET framework. This will create a console application, command line application. Click on it and select next. Herein let us add the name. So I am adding Amit console app. Okay. Below the second one is our location, and the solution name is here, and the .NET framework. Keep the default. Click on create. Now you can see guys, the project got created. Let me increase it. Okay, this is fine. These are the packages. Namespace is the collection of classes. So we have a single class by default in it, and this is our void main, just like public static void main of Java, and main is the entry point of the code, you can say. So now let us print something quickly. For that, in C# we write console.writeLine. So here it is. Let me write this for a sample program. Now to display it, here it is. Go to File, click on Save All. Now let us run it. For that, go to Build, click on Build Solution. So herein you can see, guys, build completed. Okay, so let us click on Start here. Now you can see, guys, the output is visible for C# program, and here it is. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 10. With that, we also saw a sample project, that is a C# console application. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.